Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Knowledge. This video is about world rare philately. First is from Italy 1928, 30-cent Emanuel Filibert, center inverted used example with portion of town postmark dated 1928. Kenya, Uganda and Tanganyika 1954, 5-cent chocolate and black, vignette that is dam and watermark inverted, used example. Lebanon 1901, 8-cent red and black postage due, center inverted and overprint reading down, unobtrusive cancel. Mexico 1921, 10-cent blue and brown meeting of Iturbide and Guerrero, center inverted, quite well centered and large margins. Now Poland 1956, 20G Olympics, center inverted, left sheet margin mint example, much better centering than usual. Russia 1866, 10K brown and blue, center inverted, rich colors, neat portion of town CTS, and less than 10 examples are known. Venezuela 1871, 50R green, frame inverted, top right corner stamp in a mint block of 4, large margins with sheet margin at the right. Sudan 1948, 10M black and carmine Arab postman, center inverted, neat portion of CTS postmark and scarce. Now Spain 1867, 25M blue and rose, frame inverted, used example with light bar cancellation, warm rich colors. South Africa 1927, 10 shilling bright blue and brown, center inverted, top right corner sheet margin, vertical bilingual pair. Next is South Australia 1902, 1P purple and bluish green, King Edward VII, stamp duty revenue stamp, center inverted. San Marino 1965, 200L rooks on chessboard, red color inverted. 3 red chess pieces are inverted. Mesopotamia 1918, 4A on 1/3 P slate and red brown, center inverted, one of just 4 recorded, all of which are used. Jamaica 1920, 1 shilling bright orange and orange, frame inverted, mint top left corner sheet margin, horizontal pair. Mauritania 1940, 20 franc, rose carmine magenta and buff airpost, center inverted, bottom left corner sheet margin block of 4. Now Russia 1866, 1K black and yellow, groundwork inverted, being one of just a few mint examples known to exist. Russia 1875, 2K black and red, horizontally laid paper, groundwork inverted with neat obtrusive town postmark. Russia 1889, 2K green, horizontally laid paper, groundwork inverted, one of only 2 known examples with exceptional centering. Russia 1904, 7R black and yellow, vertically laid paper, center inverted, used example, one of only 2 known used copies. Switzerland 1862, 10-cent blue, double embossing, one inverted, one of only few known examples, well centered and tied to a piece. Italian state 1858, 80-cent ochre, head inverted, used example, central strike of Torino 18, Mars 58 CTS. Iran 1929, 2-cent scarlet and bright blue, Raza Shah Pahlavi, center inverted, used example with deep luxuriant color. Indochina 1892, 75-cent, deep violet on orange, Indochine inscription in the bottom tablet inverted, full original gum. Hungary 1923, 5000 K Madonna and child, center inverted, horizontal pair, less than 100 multiples are known. Hong Kong 1962, $1.3 Queen Elizabeth, block of 9 with plate number, pale yellow inverted in right and central vertical strip. Greece 1927, 5T Academy of Science, center inverted, used example, it is well centered within very large margins. Alsace Lorraine 1875, cent yellow-green with network points down, unused example with rich color and fine appearance. Italian state 1861, 1G black, head inverted, used example, neat portion of double ring town CTS. Lithuania 1926, 60-cent swallow airpost, center inverted, mint block of 4, large margins, fresh color, under catalogued as only 200 were printed. Now Mauritania 1940 10 franc ultramarine and red air post. Center inverted. Left sheet margin mint single with vibrant colors. Niue 1920 6p deep green and red brown. Center inverted. Deep luxuriant color, large margins and original gum. Panama 1915 5 cent blue and black cotton locks. Center inverted mint example. Nearly very fine, only 19 mint examples exist. Penryn Island 1920 half P emerald and black. Center inverted mint example. It is well centered and margined and has fresh colors. Now Penryn Island 1921 P red and black. Center inverted. Strong rich colors. Well centered original gum. Very fine and quite scarce. Peru 1921 1 cent olive brown and red brown. Saint Martin center inverted. Large well balanced margins and deep luxuriant color. Peru 1868 1D green embossed arms inverted. Used example with 4 large margins, rich color and neat postmark. Now Shanghai 1893 5 cent blue coat of arms. Black inscription inverted. Fresh mint example, very scarce stamp. Spain 1865 12 cent blue and rose. Frame inverted. Much better centered than usual. Numeral grid postmark instead of usual bar cancellation. Uruguay 1895 25 cent Liberty center inverted. Used example. Deep rich colors and portion of CDS postmark. Uruguay 1908 1 cent to 5 cent Cruiser Montevideo center inverted. Mint blocks of 4 with strong color. Venezuela 1871 15R green frame inverted. Large margins all around. Neat 2-line manuscript cancel. Italy 1924 5L plus 2.5L Holy Year semi-postal center inverted. Fresh mint example of this variety. Libya 1921 30 cent black and black brown center inverted. Highly select mint example of this very scarce error. Next is Liechtenstein 1921 80 Rp grey and black plate proof center inverted. Left sheet margin block of 4 and large to huge margins. Mauritania 1940 20 franc rose carmine magenta and puff air post center inverted. Bottom left corner sheet margin block of 4. North Ingermanland 1920 10M brown and violet center inverted. Well centered within large margins, only 100 were printed. Now Panama 1909 1 cent dark green and black Belbo center inverted. Used example and one of only 8 known. Now Portugal 1965 1E ITU center inverted. Fresh mint single of this unusual modern error. Very fine. Romania 1956 1.75 L census center inverted. Fresh color, nicely centered original gum and mild gum bend. Russia 1883 14K blue and rose center inverted. Used example, quite well centered, fresh and light postmark. Russia office in Turkey 1910 Dardanelles 35 piastres surcharge on 3.5 R maroon and light green. Spanish Guinea 1924 1P dark violet and black Nipa house center inverted. Fresh and near perfect centering. Next is Switzerland 1867 25 cent blue green double embossing 1 inverted. Used example with neat portion of town postmark. Transvaal 1902 5 shilling King Edward VII revenue center inverted. Deep luxuriant color original gum and nearly very fine. Tonga 1897 7.5 P green and black King George II center inverted mint example without any of the toning as usual. Greece 1870 10L light red orange on greenish 10 numeral on the reverse inverted and reversed. Now Guatemala 1881 5 cent Quetzal center inverted used example and it is a scarce invert while center just a bit to right. Next is from Iran 1902 1 cent black center inverted used example with VC initials inverted in the center and light CDS. Iran 1950 10R carmine and blue green center inverted choice mint example with strong intense color and it is well centered. In the last is Guatemala 1911 25-cent blue and black center inverted used example, center to bottom and very scarce. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.